Well, here's another one of our certified one-owner Corvettes. Beautiful car. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT Convertible. My goodness, is this a head-turning car. This is Corvette Racing Yellow on the exterior. It has that jet black interior, and it has a jet black convertible top that is just absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look under the hood first of all with this 460 horsepower LT1 engine and 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $4,455 2LT preferred equipment group. Again, this has heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system with steering wheel controls and MyLink. The car has auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual-power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, memory package, and it also has the front camera. This car also has the Z51 Performance Package. This includes performance brakes, black brake calipers, slotted brake rotors, tri-sump oiling, specific suspension, front and rear wheels and tires, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, performance gear ratios, aereo package, multi-mode exhaust as well. FE4 magnetic selective ride control, performance data recorder with navigation, black wheels, carbon flash badge package, yellow brake caliper override, carbon flash painted side mirrors, and rear spoiler. And this car has the Corvette Racing Yellow tint coat upcharge. The car has remote start, power top, Bluetooth package. Well, everything on this car is power. And it comes, as we said at the beginning of our video here, a clean one-owner Carfax. And so this Corvette is a beautiful car. It has a great shine on it. Clear protective film has been applied to the front bumper, hood, fenders, side mirrors, lower quarter panels, and sides of the rear bumper. The convertible top is in very good to excellent condition, and those factory wheels are black and beautiful. So give this car a look over. Give one of our sales representatives a call here at buyavet.net. You can get in touch with us at 770-414-5552, and we'll help you with this car or any one of the other 120 Corvettes we have in stock. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. We ship nationwide, and we even ship worldwide. We can make buying online something you can do with ease and with confidence. Remember, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to see you real soon.